They need to cut the grass on this my footpath. Remember this my footpath? This is where the corn was. The corn has long been harvested. They've now left with only cassava. For those asking me where we're at this COVID year, we've done the plastering. As you can see, it's now plastered. They've now put that thing. See those white things? Those are for collecting this water and putting it down so that it's not dropping all around the house. That's collecting rainwater. Even during the lockdown, like right in the middle of the lockdown where there was no movement even between states in Nigeria. So people were asking me, tell us about the house. What are you doing? And I'm like, are these people not in this world? Nothing was happening at that time. There's no way you could do anything. So right now, we're going to do a lot of things. A lot of things need to happen simultaneously. For instance, these 3 tanks are what they will put on the scaffold. I'll show you the scaffold for the tanks. Because in Nigeria, we drill our own borehole. The government cannot bring water to you here. So that's the scaffold. That thing, that's mass of steel. We're going to put 2 tanks at the very top and then 1 tank there, here. Good morning, sir. I'll go on carpenter. Abuja. Eh? Abuja. Go on carpenter. Oga kpọrọ gị ọrụ n'anwụ niile na-acha. I chere nnọọ ka anwụ fụta before i bido ọrụ. Ka isi prefer so ịrụ ọrụ like that. Bidoro ha ọrụ n'azụ, na n'azụ ka ha need the most. Bido n'azụ. Somebody that was called yesterday to come and loosen all these bamboo scaffolds because they are quite old now. So they are weak. They've been compromised. So we need to take them down and put another one. Good morning. In the house, again, we've done the plastering and we've done the POP. 3 major things we're going to do now. Put the tiles. Those are all the tiles we bought from the market. Okay, these are pipes. These are called PPR pipes. These are the best quality pipes, but they're quite expensive. They're very expensive, but they're much more durable, much better than PVC pipes. Yeah, PVC pipes can burst in your walls. Yeah, in the compound, if you put it in the compound, but look at the thickness of this one. Called PPR pipes. So we're going to complete the plumbing fittings, and these pipes are for outside. They've done every piping for the inside. These are all the doors we bought at the market. So we're going to fix the doors. Look at more doors here. So when at this stage you need to get a lot of money ready because you're going to do a lot of things simultaneously. Even if you don't want to do them simultaneously, that means that you have to put them. In fact, 4 people. I forgot the 4th one. Oh my God. The windows guys will need to put the windows. And then the protector is the burglary proof that we build in Nigeria. They need to put that as well. Why? Because they work with cement. They have to put theirs before even the tiles guy come in. So if so, you can do the windows and wait, and then later when you're ready, the tiles and the doors and the plumbing, I believe. Okay, you can put the doors and then wait. But the tiles and the plumbing go hand in hand. Yeah, there's no way you can do this one separate because as the tiles guy is setting the bathroom, the fittings in the bathroom, the tiles guy is taking a measurement to make sure that any water that pours in the bathroom flows out through the waste so that it doesn't come into the room. So the plumbing guy and the tiles guy must work at the same time on your site. Yeah.
Because of the big job.
Who cleaned this house? So now waiting they pack from inside, they pour here.
Then pour here.
Don't worry, wait, I go call them. This one, I go call them because this thing na rubbish. How can they say they clean house and pour it here and somebody paid them? Don't worry, I'll call him now. See Kazim testing the PPR pipe. He say even though motor jam am, nothing go spoil am.
Nothing go spoil am.
It's not brittle. Like you see the other one, na this one, no? See the other one. Compare. Look at
So
this one. Nothing. Look. The power testing of PPR.
So this one.
See the thickness. See the thickness compared to this one. Look at this one. How thin it is. Look at this one. Woo! One touch. It's so brittle. Look at.
This one itself, no be gun dey hit am, na that thing dey hit am. So there's no way something can.
Yeah.
Like, even if you don come and finish, if you forget to do any amendments, that connection don condemn.
Yeah.
The connection don condemn.
So it's supposed to be somebody wey sabi work, wey go do somebody like Kazim. Make una see am. I brought this guy all the way from Lagos. After now, una go talk say na only Igbo I know. I am the most detribalized human being in the world. People from Cotonou, I don't care where you come from. So long as you know work, I'll bring you, I'll take you anywhere I'm working. Because me, I don't want repairs. Repairs are the most, let me turn this thing. Repairs are the most, like you don't want to break walls after installing your pipes. That is because at that time, you're breaking tiles as well. You're breaking everything. You do plastering, you do painting, you do this, you do that. So it costs more and it's inconveniencing, so you better do it once. This one are waiting.
Old tank.
Old tank.
Old GP.
Old GP. But you get new ones.
New ones are lighter ones.
That the same GP they make them.
Yes.
Can you imagine? Why are they making it lighter?
You know, if you have money for it.
But hey, why are they making it if it's going to burst up there? What's the need?
That is why you see.
And you will not know the difference when you're looking at both of them.
If that new one, you don't take
for
on top. If any clearance there, you go just cut. When I want installation like this, when the money na go shake. But that time the time you shake.
Make you shake once. Do you hear what he's saying? I don't know if this gen is making a lot of. He's saying that sometimes if you want to, you're spending the money, you'll be shaking. Your account will be shaking. But it's better that account shakes once than later you come and be replacing, because you must spend that money one way or the other. That's what he's trying to say. Kazim, now whether you dey carry work. Human crane. This is human crane. Three people suppose they up for first too. This thing is heavy. They're doing bare hands. This scaffold they built, they don't have guardrails there for on the ladder. See how he's using his head to support it. Be careful, though. When you lift the second one, 3 people suppose they up, because these 2 people up, no, they're not. before somebody will fall here. My hand no deal. This is a better method by tying it by the side. So that you can easily roll over at the top. This is why they needed the gen, because this is, what do you call that thing? Sealer or what?
What? PPR machine.
That thing that melts it so that you can see it. What do you call it?
The heating machine.
Heating machine.
Yes.
So it's not everybody that can install this PPR pipe.
Huh?
If na PVC now, na gum na go rub am, no?
Yes, sir.
Abro gum. Okay. This is the aluminium frames. They are building it here. Dalun. When you need nyanya. Unchefuli ya naonyesha. Iya banye kwenda garanya kita. Hey, chukua mankwe. Chukua mankunu bele. Na Good morning. Unu kwetiri ile ihe n'anya. Una bo. Ngo ta de mai de ndo. Unu wa de ho mai de ngwa no no.
This is now. My guy, this guy here, it's a good one. Oh my God, I'm so done.
Anche room.
About the problem. Yeah, about
the
yeah, they're about not to
attack
so that cover pro. So
May once. No food.
Oh, we jump cafe now. The jump cafe.
They reinforce or Okaga Wakaf.
Yes.
They reinforce or Hancha. Prevention is better than cure.
It's better to
Yeah. Open no have solution. Yeah. Blue Hancha ga okay. Prevent here because before you know it or men now. Okay, couldn't be the go. How many hours for your take? The window dinner already. The window guy, the window specialist. How many hours will it take you to build all the windows?
Oh, not hours. It take you
7 to 6 days. Okay, you see that 7, about a ton of 6. It's about 6 to 7 can you? Okay, I'll give you a video na bathroom. Why? Boga. Ihe niile gbam. Before na ebido mele.
So my niile. Onye pesa ya.
Ka ebe the glass dị. Ọkụ ngote the black, no? Oh, we gote the glass. We gote all glass.
No, arota. They get the measurement of the window.
Okay, when I say more specific. Okay.
You better now.
Yeah, I may be an idea.
No problem.
Okay. See all the plumbing work. Woo. Look at. For high pressure, they use individual pipes to take water to the other end. You can see every pipe for each section comes from the tank. This is for high pressure. Waiting be this opening here. Eh? Waiting be this. Good morning. Waiting be this opening. This opening for the pipe. You be plumber? Chamber? Okay. Yeah, all the hair now. Yeah, this is what man. All the outside now. No. No, but nyan nka ha hon. Oh yeah, slope, but this one are the cousin high. I get feel is that just low ebe. Mbao. So hana chuku na eba kan ka ya de. Ka ebe plumber no. Opwala pu. Can you go there question because I got the thing at the cousin surface now. No good. All the end too much, okay? Check good in first. Try. Sorry. The thing the too high. Oh, the too high. Okay, Cesar. Get the feeling now you make it there, but we make the feeling ever. Now, about the break, we'll come here. We discuss on here because no.
2 hours later.
No, nothing concern me with sloping. What thing concern me be say when I don't come out that side. For this sloping, now you sabi. If the thing block, you go take your own transport. Come from Lagos. Come.
Like block for you.
When they laugh, anytime. Why is it that anytime I they talk, when they laugh? I don't. It don't be joke. I don't want joke. The fact that they say.
Go check when I look for that side.
I see new design for this window there. Can you choice? Okay, so nkana ni ayadi. Yellow. Okay. Permanent. To eba ya standard window. Keke is na me pia or ya angle opening ko ya outside. Or ya just plain. Oh, you put the same design. Man, no sauce na neighbor can me you put that design. Those are I will plain glass. Can I mention him here angle? Api man can you angle and me put. Can reason me him like that. Got like in Konoka.
Yes. Material I go for
out in I don't can na makali na step.
You mean I enjoy avoiding car most times now. I can build. Come on, like that. By the side here. Like what is also mala.
And can you pay you to oh ya ka we bata mi lo so ibe chi ma mi ni this.
On the net frame. They protect me there.
Net frame.
They protect me like this. I want wind. In the wind, they how to like it was a mic, which is there. The glass. But this one, I'm talking about. And again, that one,
Kono ka.
Or compass hinges go there. When they do this standing hinges, they see them. So all these compass go there. So more than one the wind now, that hinge is sound on the west strength. So I manage that compass is like this.
But you na chukwu imam poli ngu nke akpoli. Ọ dị ka opukazi ndị agha dị n'elu.
On the wind now. Yeah, let me say 3 minutes.
No, the nke standard window. Nke anu awolo. Ukpoli kwuo nke a, ọ ghara ibu tunu because ihe so kan ka ebe standard na tugoda ka ebe standard window because ihe a bidoro ebe a. Standard window lute ebe a kete nke maybe metri n'elu. So you put the standard with the help in the carry finish. Simple style lah. Ana pokwa no be confirm more style. Nchekwa more complicated style or simple style lah.
Not complicated. Ima.
Asinu kamalu design one on essay one. Etem na yan wa to mankasa wacha branches and there. It's not even 2 p.m. yet. You've seen all I've done just for today. Yeah. It's a busy work site and yeah. On my feet all day long. With this heat, I don't know what today's temperature is. Hey, it's like, feels like 40 degrees Celsius. I'll put the Fahrenheit equivalent on the screen for you. Yeah, that's a typical day in my life in the village, supervising the work site. Yeah. It's not even busy today, right? By the time they start tiling, it's going to be crazy. Good afternoon. Good afternoon. What again? I want to come here and check on board.